Good morning, dear students. Let's see one more question of double column cash flow. Enter the following transactions in the cash book with cash and bank columns. Also pass journal entries where necessary. On 2020 April 1, opening balance of cash and bank overdraft is given. Opening balance of cash will come in debit side of your cash book. 2020 April 1. To balance brought down, and amount of cash in hand is 6,200. So 6,200 will come in cash column. But this time you can see in this question bank overdraft balance is given. So bank overdraft balance is also known as credit balance of bank. That means this amount we have to pay to bank. So this is our credit balance of bank. It will come in credit side of cash book. Bank overdraft 18,500. This balance will come in credit side like this by balance brought down 18,500. Here is 2020 and date is April 1. Always remember, students, whenever you will be given credit balance of bank or bank overdraft, so in such cases that balance of bank will come in credit side of your cash flow. And always remember one thing more, cash in hand balance will also be have debit balance, so it will come in debit side. Okay, now we are starting our cash book. Next transaction is on April 2. Received a check from Hari and paid it into bank on the same day. See, we are receiving a check from Hari and we are depositing that check immediately into our bank. So our entry will be bank account debit to Hari and amount is 1,300. April 2, this is our one of the receipt to Hari. 1,300 rupees will come in bank column. Why we will write this amount in bank column? Because this time we are receiving check from Hari and immediately we are depositing this check into the bank. So entry will be bank account debit to Hari and treatment will be to Hari and amount will come in bank column. Okay. Now see, next transaction on April 3, received a check from Vinod. So you can see, students, this time we are simply receiving this check from Vinod. So our journal entry will be check in hand account debit to Vinod. So in this case there will be no treatment in cash book because simply we are receiving check from Vinod and we are not depositing this check into our bank account. So our journal entry will be check in hand account debit to Vinod. Apart from format of cash book, you will draw a format of journal also, and in that particular format you will write this journal entry, that is check in hand account debit to Vinod. Okay. Now see, next one. On April 5, there is one transaction, that is check received from Vinod deposited into bank. See, we have received check from Vinod on 3rd of April and on 5th of April we are depositing this check into our bank. So now journal entry will be bank account debit to check in hand and treatment of such journal entry will come in cash flow. So bank account debit to check in hand, treatment will come in debit side on April 5 to check in hand account and treatment will come in bank column and amount is 3,300. Okay, always remember this thing. Whenever we are receiving check and we are not depositing that check into the bank, our simple entry will be check in hand account debit to customer, and after 1 or 2 days if we will deposit that check into the bank, in that case entry will be bank account debit to check in hand and treatment will come in debit side like this. Okay.